Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com. I'll do a technical analysis video on ticker symbol FSR, which is Fisker Inc. And I used to trade them pretty frequently, and I haven't in quite a while. Last time I traded them, they weren't even delivering vehicles. It was just kind of during that EV boom when everyone was saying they were going to make electric vehicles, and even a regular any company could come out and say EV in a press conference and your stock was going to jump like 20% in the day. So that's the last time I traded them. So I saw they were trending today, so I decided to look at their chart, and yeah, they've made a huge move in about almost a month exactly. Found a bottom, and then ever since then just had a fat move higher and up about 30% in a month, which is massive. And so I decided I was going to look at their news, see what was going on with them, why they were up so much. And so yeah, they are delivering vehicles. It's just a ton of positive news has been coming out with them. And the latest one was they are going to increase the production of their Ocean SUV from about 180 units to 300 a day in Q4. So it's like 67% move in, or up in production. So it's good news for them. And I thought it was a little curious that I've been trading Tesla quite often, and thought it was kind of funny that they found a bottom almost the same day about a month ago, and they're up about the same percentage. So I was wondering why that would be, and then I saw a news story regarding that, and that is because of the auto workers union strike. And so FSR and Tesla aren't part of that union. It's just the big three, being Ford, GM, and Stellantis, or whoever owns Chrysler at this point. And so their workers for Tesla and FSR, they're fine. Their production is going to keep on going on. Nothing's happening. Everything's going to be fine. Whereas there was an analyst that was talking about if the strike continues for the big three, it's going to really screw up their EV production, because you got to remember that the big three car companies in America were way behind on EV. Like Tesla was already doing very, very well before they took it seriously. So they were just, playing catch up with Tesla this whole time. And now we're seeing a lot of these companies, even foreign companies, everyone's got an EV line. But if the strike continues, then, 4 more weeks, then it's going to push out their EV pipeline into 2024. So hopefully they can come to an agreement for the, it works out for the workers and the companies, and everything kind of continues. But for now, it doesn't matter. FSR and Tesla, they're just going to keep on going. So let's do some technical analysis. Notice some key points when I was looking at this chart. You see they came up to this level, and yesterday of about 676, and they broke it, and that's finding support resistance off of this wick on 8.3, and they tried to break above that, made it just above, and then just sold off kind of hard to about the 200. And if I was trading this yesterday, I probably would have been looking at going short if they would have made it below the 200, but they stayed just above it, and today just ripped through and went to this next support level, or resistance level, sorry, which is the swing high of about May 25th. They hit that level, and today tried to break through and just made it above, and then sold off right underneath it, which is about $7 even. So right now, if I was trading Fisker, I would wait to see if they can close above that $7 mark, and then if they do, I'm looking at a move to about 722. I'd start trimming my position, or close out completely. But yeah, I think that's probably the next stop if they can make it above $7. Then after that, it's kind of sky's the limit. If they can keep the news coming out, you could see them hit 775, 875. That's kind of, like I say, sky's the limit if they can keep production. And hopefully it doesn't happen, but the strike keeps going on with the big three automakers. But if they can't close above $7, then I think they'll probably come fairly quickly down to about 676. That should act like some good support, because you had some nice pump in volume here. We did have a FTW long alert right here, way down at yeah, about $6 you could have been in. Dang, I wish I was paying attention to it then. But yeah, so everything's looking really good for them. I don't like that they kind of sold above this level or got bought up above this level and sold off right underneath $7. So like I said, $7, I'm gonna be looking at that. And if they can make it above, then I'll definitely be going long on them. So let me know in the comments what you guys think FSR is going to look like next week. And as well, if you guys have any tickers you want me or James to go over, do some technical analysis on, let us know in the comments.